If you're cooking for a family or trying to meal prep for the week, you've probably run into the same problem. Either your rice cooker is too small, or you're constantly making multiple batches just to keep up. And that turns something simple into a time-consuming chore. Today we're looking at the Gourmia Rice Cooker 5-Quart Digital, a larger capacity rice cooker built for families, meal preppers, and anyone who needs reliable, consistent cooking without repeating the same process over and over. It's designed to handle bigger portions while still keeping things simple and easy to use. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the size is the first thing you notice, and that's intentional. This isn't a compact rice cooker. It's meant to sit on your countertop and handle serious cooking volume. The stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, slightly more premium look compared to basic plastic models, and it doesn't show wear easily with regular use. The inner pot has a non-stick coating that feels smooth and durable, which makes a real difference when you're cooking larger quantities. It helps prevent rice from sticking or burning at the bottom, especially when you're filling it closer to capacity. The control panel is digital, but not overwhelming. You get clearly labeled presets for common cooking tasks like white rice, multigrain, oatmeal, and even options like sauté and slow cook. It's not trying to be overly advanced, but it gives you enough flexibility to handle different meals without guesswork. The display is bright and easy to read, and once you've used it a couple of times, it becomes very straightforward to operate. In terms of performance, consistency is where this cooker stands out. Even with larger batches, the rice cooks evenly without dry patches or overly sticky sections. That's important if you're cooking for multiple people or preparing meals in advance. It's not the fastest cooker out there, but it's efficient enough to fit into a daily routine without slowing you down. The keep warm function works well too, maintaining temperature without drying out the food, which is especially useful if everyone isn't eating at the same time. What adds to its practicality is the included steam tray. You can cook rice in the main pot while steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings on top, which makes it feel more like a complete meal solution rather than just a rice cooker. The delay timer is another feature that fits well into real life. You can set everything up ahead of time and have food ready when you need it, which takes a lot of pressure off busy schedules. Cleaning is surprisingly manageable for a cooker of this size. The nonstick pot prevents most food from sticking, so cleanup usually doesn't require much effort. And since the accessories are dishwasher safe, you're not spending extra time scrubbing after a large meal. For something designed to handle bigger portions, that convenience really matters. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The size that makes it great for families can feel excessive if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. It also takes up more counter space, so smaller kitchens might find it a bit bulky. While it offers multiple cooking functions, it doesn't go as deep into customization as higher-end multi-cookers. And if you're only making small amounts of rice occasionally, it might feel like more than you actually need. Compared to smaller rice cookers, or even mid-range models, the Gourmia Rice Cooker 5-Quart Digital stands out mainly for its capacity and simplicity. It doesn't try to compete with premium brands like Zojirushi in terms of advanced technology, but it offers a strong balance of size, usability, and value. In this price range, it's one of the more practical options for handling larger meals without unnecessary complexity. So who is this really for? If you're cooking for a family, hosting regularly, or doing weekly meal prep, this is a very solid option. It saves time by letting you cook everything in one go instead of repeating smaller batches. It's also a good fit if you want a straightforward appliance that just works without needing constant adjustments. On the other hand, if you have limited space or only cook small portions, a more compact model would probably make more sense. At the end of the day, the Gourmia Rice Cooker 5-Quart Digital focuses on solving a simple but important problem, making large, consistent meals easier without adding complexity. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your kitchen setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.